Hi, lovely people, once again. This is Ishmael right here, and I want to introduce you to one of the beautiful properties in the serene community in Cantonments. It is a two-bedroom, fully furnished apartment, and one of the key features of this property is that it boasts of its elegance and then comfort. Come, let me walk you through. Alright, so just after the entrance, adjacent the entrance, is your kitchen. Fully furnished, equipped kitchen with a top-notch or state-of-the-art modern appliances. Like you could see here, the smoke or heat extractor, and then also it comes with an electric cooker, dishwashers, inbuilt refrigerators, oven and microwave. Come, let me show you the other side of this property. Alright, so right after the kitchen is your expansive living area that can be used for so many purposes. One of the key features of this living area is the style, the comfort that this property comes with. Right here, you could see the finishing and the furnitures are top-notch. Come, let me walk you through the other features of this property. So just after the living area is your first bedroom, neatly furnished with an inbuilt wardrobe, central AC, and then we have here the visitors washroom that also serves as a washroom and a bathroom for the first bedroom with the state-of-the-art finishing. Right after that, we have your master bedroom, and you could rightly see this is what a home ought to be. So the master bedroom comes with also a very top-notch finishing with a modern wardrobes right here, TV installed, and also nice finishing bathrooms. So one of the key features of this property also, it comes with this very beautiful community pool. I mean, this is one of the luxurious community pools that we have seen so far here in Cantonments. This property also features a kids play area and then also a gym. I mean, this property has everything that you could think of. Just beneath and right beneath the property, there is a supermarket, a pharmacy, grocery shop, and everything that you could think of. So this is actually the city that we are talking about.